Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to enable autosave in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, as you can see, I'm already in a new DaVinci Resolve project. And to enable live save or autosave, just click on DaVinci Resolve, go to Preferences, then you land here on your system side. What you want to do, click on User, and then on Project Save and Load. Project Save and Load, and here you can see Save Settings, Live Save. If you've disabled it, then just enable it. And then click on Save, and that's it. Okay, that was a little hack on how to enable autosave in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.